Snails may seem slow and simple, but their reproduction is one of the most fascinating processes in the animal kingdom. Most land snails are hermaphrodites, meaning each individual has both male and female reproductive organs. Even though they have both sets of organs, snails still need a partner to reproduce, ensuring genetic diversity. Their courtship can last for hours, involving gentle touches, circling, and the exchange of mucus. Some species use a love dart, a tiny calcified spine that helps increase the chances of successful fertilization. The snails position themselves face to face, ready to exchange sperm. Each snail transfers sperm to the other, storing it in a specialized internal pouch called the spermatheca. Days or weeks later, each snail fertilizes its own eggs using the stored sperm. The snail digs a small hole in the ground and deposits dozens of small, pearly eggs. After a few weeks, tiny snails hatch with delicate shells, ready to begin their slow and steady journey.